Who is Gemma? Gemma is an international provider of material handling solutions. Where is Gemma? Gemma is on the land, on the sea, and at the junction of land and the sea. What can Gemma bring us? Gemma can make our cargo loading and unloading and handling faster, make our work more convenient, make our energy consumption lower, and make our port no longer polluted, and make our world more beautiful. In 2008, Rainbow Co. brought Gemma to the world. After more than a decade of development, Gemma has established the 5 solutions: G1, Shipyard, Material Yard Workshop Solution; G2, Offshore Engineering Solution; G3, Bulk Material Handling Solution; G4, Waste Steel, Wood, Garbage Yard and Inland River Bulk Material Solution; G6, Terminal Container Crane Solution. Gemma G1 Shipyard Material Yard Workshop Solution is specialized in loading or unloading and handling of materials in shipyards, open-air warehouses, stockyards, and various kinds of factories, mainly through the use of porter crane, bridge crane, and gantry crane. Among them, Gemma Shipbuilding Gantry Crane is the flagship product of G1, which serves in shipbuilding industry. The maximum lifting tonnage is 2,000 tons. Major clients include Offshore Engineering Company Limited, Shandong Jinglu Ship Industry, Zhejiang Zhengzhou Shipbuilding, Fujian Mawei Shipbuilding Administration Heavy Industry, and other marine engineering and shipbuilding enterprises along the Chinese coast. The other star product of G1 is Gemma Portal Crane, which is used in global shipyards or docks. Our customers cover BAE Systems in US, DDW-D Shipyard in United Arab Emirates, Apico Group in Indonesia, Jiangsu Port, Shanghai Shenjia Shipyard, Zenith Steel Group, Nimble Orient Wires and Cables Company Limited. Gemma G2 Offshore Engineering Lifting Solution is mainly applied to cargo loading and unloading, salvage and upfilling of various types of ships and offshore platforms, and provides wind power installation equipment, installation and maintenance services in offshore areas. It mainly includes offshore crane and jack-up system. The maximum lifting capacity of Gemma offshore crane is 5,000 tons, with more than 160 meters maximum hoisting height. The maximum lifting support capacity of Gemma jack-up system is 6,000 tons, and the lifting speed exceeds 16 meters per hour. Gemma has provided numerous sets of offshore cranes and jack-up systems for such jack-up wind power installation platforms as Huadian 1001, Fuchun Sansha, Dachao Fuchuan, Huadian Weichang, Huana, Hengtong Yihang, Haidian HONM 801, Tengdong 001, etc. Gemma G3 Bulk Material Handling Solution is applicable to port, mining industry, and chemical industry, and provides loading and unloading and handling services for various goods such as container, grain, coal, fertilizer, and cement. It mainly includes mobile harbor crane, ship unloader, ship loader, environmental production harbor, and belt conveyor and other equipment. At present, Gemma bulk material equipment has been widely used in India Taraday Port, Myanmar MIP Port, Indonesia Sigading Port, Bangladesh Susu Port, Balikpapan Mine Dock, Argentina San Nicolas Port, Venezuela Cabello Port, Peru Calero Port, Cote d'Ivoire Port, El Salvador Cula Port, Mexico OTM Terminal, Xiamen Harbin Port, Zhejiang Zhoushan Port, Nantong Tonghai Port, and Zenith Steel. Gemma G4 Waste Steel, Wood, Garbage Yard, and Inland River Bulk Material Solution mainly provides multiple steel mills, waste steel processing bases, ports, docks, and stockyards with the handling, stacking, and feeding services of waste steel, ore, coal, wood, and other materials. Gemma G6 container loading and unloading and handling solution is applicable to all kinds of container ports and terminals, mainly including rubber-tyred gantry cranes, rail-mounted gantry cranes, automatic stacking cranes, ship-to-shore cranes. Gemma container port machinery inherits the advanced port machinery technology of GENMA with world-renowned quality and present. The container port machinery built by Rainbow has been widely used in Ningbo Zhoushan Port, Greece Piraeus, Bangladesh CPA, Indonesia Timika, Turkey SAFI, US Maersk, SFCT, Caribbean Curaçao Willemstad, UK BCT, Norway YARA, and other ports and docks. In 2018, Rainbow successfully acquired a German caulk brand. Caulk products cover various types of stacker, reclaimer, and conveyors. Among them, caulk pipe conveyor realizes the transportation of bulk materials in ultra-long distance and complex terrain conditions. It can easily conduct a three-dimensional steering in the air. The maximum conveying capacity is 4,000 tons per hour, and the caulk has installed 300 sets of pipe conveyors in more than 40 countries and regions around the world. The brand, with a history of more than 70 years, has provided nearly 1,000 sets of equipment for the market. In recent years, caulk has undertaken Tamang and Sukerdal projects in Russia, Luka Cover project in Slovenia, Leon project in Morocco, and the Casmar project in Guinea. Under this opportunity, Gemma and its brother brand caulk have formed a perfect complementarity in the areas of light bulk materials and heavy bulk materials, which is of positive significance to improve the order-taking capacity of Rainbow in the projects along the Belt and Road. At present, Rainbow has more than 300 domestic and foreign R&D personnel, more than 60 invention patents, and has developed many new technologies with independent intellectual property rights. Rainbow had 3 large assembly sites and 2 international ports. This advantage in scarce hardware resources enables Gemma and caulk to achieve the installation and commissioning of the complete machines in a better state. At present, hundreds of equipment of Gemma and caulk have been sent to the world through docks of Rainbow. Professionalism achieves the beauty of power. Gemma is poised to move to a higher altitude in the future, with the goals of to be a leading enterprise of offshore engineering cranes and to be a leading enterprise of global bulk material handling and transportation equipment. Rainbow will continue to change and innovate itself and uncertainly fulfill the mission of creating values for customers through innovative technology.